Sunday, August 2nd. I believe this is day 75. We are at some waterfalls and Jerica is going to jump in. Today is Monday, August 3rd. I believe it's day 76. So we left the support vehicles and started hiking probably around 10:15 this morning. We've gone roughly 9 miles and up, I believe, about 3,000 feet. Now we have another like 12 miles and almost 5,000 feet to go, like 4,900 and something. So, yeah, basically 12 more miles and 5,000 more feet elevation gain. So, yeah, sounds like it might be a bit of a climb, and it's warming up. So, yeah, might be a bit hot too. But I think that's the plan. Yeah, that'll put us at about 20 miles a day, which will be pretty good for a late start. And I think all the food that I ate in town has definitely helped me, I think. Yeah, the hiker hunger doesn't seem to be as bad, and I seem to have, I don't know, be stronger and I guess, yeah, more interested in hiking. It's not as bad as the past few days have been for me, I don't think. So things are getting better for me at least. I don't know how well they are for Jerica, but I'm definitely doing better, I think.
We have had a long, hot climb today. We started down in that valley on the other side of that ridge, which is called the Castle Craigs, and we're in Castle Craigs National Forest. We've been hiking for about 15 miles and have gone up 5,000, 6,000 feet, something like that. You can actually see a little bit of the trail, I think, way out there. Hard to see it in the camera, but we can look back and see where we've been. And now I think we're going to come up here and go over a saddle.
We're taking a quick break here. We collected water from this here source, and we were just discussing how our standards have slipped from what we're used to on weekend backpacking. I mean, we just collected water from this. I actually collected water just right there on that trickle, and I mean, I do not think we would have drank this all weekend backpacking. I mean, this is pretty muddy looking water. And then, yeah, I was just sitting in the dirt there. I think Jerica might be on a rock, but mostly just sitting in the dirt. And that, I mean, Jerica probably would have sat in the dirt on weekend backpacking, but I would not have just sat in the dirt while weekend backpacking. So, yeah, after a while out here on the PCT, your standards do just start to slip. It's getting prettier today, though. That's nice. August 4th. I believe it's day 77. We've walked about 10 miles so far today, and we're having our first lunch. I'm actually cooking my lunch, as you can see there. Generally, we don't cook for lunch, but today I decided that I would. Recently I think I've been struggling to eat enough calories, so trying to up the amount of calories I'm eating means I'm going to be cooking for some of my lunches possibly. Probably not too many, but maybe for some of them. Anyway, we've gone about 10 miles today. We're currently at, I believe that's like Toad Lake behind me. You maybe can see Mount Shasta farther in the background, and we're also at like Toad Springs or something. I believe we plan to hike somewhere between like 25, 26 miles or so today. Elevation change shouldn't be too bad. It's only like 4,000 up and 4,000 down, so it shouldn't be too bad. Yep. Tuesday, August 4th, day 77. We decided to camp here. It's about 27, 28 miles from where we started. And looks like somebody tried to build like a makeshift shelter. It actually looks fairly robust. So, I imagine deep in here is where they planned for you to have a fire, and then you'd, I guess, suppose sleep under this overhang just by laying down there. I mean, it might be a little small for you to lay out long, so I don't know, you might have to curl up or more just rest against the tree or something, but I don't know, it's pretty cool.
Here we are, very near our campsite, and this is looking back towards where we've come. And you can see how clear the air looks and how blue the sky is. And then over this way is where we're headed. And from what we can tell, there is a lot of smoke. Some of it might be the angle of the sun, but even since when we've gotten here, it seems to have gotten worse. When we first walked over, we could see the range out that way, and now it's just completely obscured. So there might be a fire closure tomorrow. We don't even know. We don't have any cell service. So we're just going to have to see if we can hike out and see if it's just bad smoke blowing down from another fire or if there's a fire in front of us.